Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find RSS feed URL in Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, you might want to click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with Google. You can continue with your working or business email, or click on the More options. And from here, you can continue with Apple. You can continue with Facebook. And by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here in Squarespace, finding the RSS feed URL depends on whether you're looking for the RSS feed for your blog or for your podcast. Now, if it's the RSS feed for the blog, once you are here, you need to navigate to the website where your blog is hosted. It's obviously here in Squarespace. And for that, you need to go to the dashboard settings. Wherein, once you are on the dashboard settings, you need to copy the built-in domain by Squarespace, all of this one. Now, if you don't know where to go to dashboard, you can click on the profile icon of your account here in the upper right. And then once you do that, you could go to the settings down here, go to the left side panel and click on domains and email. And click on domains, and obviously this is the same built-in domain that you have copied earlier. Okay, now please copy that, and then we need to remember that this is the format for finding your URL feed. Now all you're gonna do is change your domain and obviously the slug section here, right? We need to get this slug section on your website or built-in domain. And to be able to do that, we need to identify if the RSS feed URL is for a blog or podcast. But for now, we need to identify that by going again to our dashboard. And just go here again in the left side panel. Click on website. All right. And after clicking on the website, click on the first one right here, and as you can see, you have the cog icon settings. Click on it, and this is going to be the slug, and obviously it's a blog. And from here, we need to copy this one in the after your domain, right? Let's copy that. Now, once we are here, we just needed to change this one to blog, right? And obviously, we need to change this to your domain, which is what we have copied earlier from the domain section. Or you can simply go again on your dashboard, click on this specific website, and then copy this entire thing, all right? And then paste it on the browser. And from here, all I'm going to do is replace this one. Click on it, and everything here stays the same, all right? Click on it. And once you've done that, you are all set. And optional, you can paste the copied URL, and by following these steps, you can easily find the RSS feed URL for your Squarespace blog or podcast and use it to syndicate their content. All right. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.